Sarah, this is our lesson for your quiz, okay? It's about positive or the base form. If it is positive or base form, the word should be in a simple word. Okay, simple. Sarah, comparative, it means what? You are comparing about what? Comparing?
Two syllables.
Very good. Comparative of adjective, if there are 1 to 2 syllables, it means you are having two comparisons, okay? So what is comparative adjective again? Comparative adjective means what?
Mm,
Comparative adjective, if there are
Two syllables.
1 to 2 syllables, okay? What will you do if there are 1 to 2 syllables? You will add
ER.
okay. But if you are doing superlative adjectives, what is the first rule? It should be 2 or 3 syllables. Where's your eyeglasses?
Put upstairs.
If you have 2 to 3 syllables, what will you do?
Add EST.
Very good. Add.
EST.
Okay, I'll give an example. The word is heavy, the passive or the base word. Okay, heavy, right? Give me the comparative of heavy.
Heavier.
Heavier. Louder your voice, please. And superlative?
Heaviest.
Heaviest. All right. The second example is happy. What is the comparative of the word happy?
Happier.
Happier. What about easy?
Happiest.
Sorry. Okay. What about superlative of happy?
Happiest.
What about the superlative of easy?
Easier.
Superlative.
Easiest.
And what about the comparative of easy?
Easier.
Now, give me the rules now of comparative and superlative.
Comparative has 1 to 2 syllables, and you are supposed to add ER, and superlative it's supposed to have 2 to 3 syllables, and you're supposed to add EST.
Very good. Put an example in your mind. The word is happy. Give me the comparative of the word happy.
Happier.
And the superlative?
Happiest.
What if you have higher syllables? Higher syllables. You have higher syllables in comparative and you have higher syllables in superlative. What will you do if you have a higher syllables in comparative, and what if you have a higher syllables in superlative? It means that in comparative you have 3 syllables up. It means 3 syllables or more than 3 syllables, okay? In the comparative, same with the superlative. For example, in the superlative you have more than 3 syllables. What will you do in the comparative if you see that the syllables are more than 3? Syllables, by the way, means cutting, okay? Slicing of the words, okay? Chopping of the words, okay? Oh, what about if you have more than 3 syllables in the comparative? What will you do?
Add more before the word.
More. What else?
And superlative, you're supposed to add the and for the word, and then at the end of the word you're supposed to add most.
Listen. In the comparative, if you notice that the word has more than 3 syllables, it means higher than 2, okay? Higher than 3. You can, if you see more, it is comparative. Okay, that's technique, huh? If you see more, that's it. If you see than, that's
Comparative.
listen. If you see more,
Comparative.
if you see than,
Comparative.
if you see more, and then the word here you must put same with the superlative, but you have to do the most, the most. You know what I mean? More than 3 syllables, you have to see the. What should be the next word? The most. Okay? If you see most, that's superlative, right? If you see the, put a word word here, the most, then the word here. Example, the word is amazing. Into comparative,
more,
more amazing. That's okay, right? More amazing, number one, okay. You can write amazing than. Again?
amazing than,
Or you can use more.
amazing than,
All right. Same with this. The word amazing,
the amazing,
the amazing, and then
the amazing most,
wrong. The most amazing or most amazing. Then the most,
amazing,
again, the word is beautiful used in superlative.
the amazing,
Beautiful, I said.
the beautiful,
The beautiful.
most beautiful, the most beautiful,
The most beautiful. So you understand? You understood those adjectives? Huh? Let's talk about article because articles are part of the adjectives as well. What are the articles?
a, the, and an,
A, the,
and,
all right. Do you still remember how you differentiate these three articles? Okay, please explain to me how do you explain A as a part of the article?
a, like,
A plus consonants. Do you know those consonants? Consonants. Remove the five vowels. Do you know the five vowels? Tell me what are the five vowels?
a, e, I, o, u,
The A, E, I, O, U. Now, if you remove those five vowels, we call the rest of the alphabet the letters consonants. Okay? Now, A or A plus consonants. Give me an example. A. Give me a noun that starts with consonants. A balloon.
phone,
A phone. Give me more.
a school,
A school. What else?
a park,
A park. Those are for a use. What about for the article an? An plus. If this is consonant, an used for. This is consonant. What is an use? If you use this, a mother, a balloon, a phone, a photograph, and for an A, what about for an an? Vowels, Sarah. What are the five vowels, please?
a, e, I, o,
So please give me an example of an article and connecting to an A, E, I, O, U.
mm,
An elephant.
cat,
Cat? Cat is letter C. Is it a vowel? I said an. I said elephant starts with letter E, an elephant. What else? An airplane. An apple. Oh, Mr. Grayson's giving you all. You have to give.
an orange,
An orange. What else? Quickly. An orange.
an umbrella,
An umbrella. Okay. Give me an using a vowel I.
an igloo,
An igloo. You understand or not? Okay. Now, because you understand, A is for consonants and N for vowels. Consonants, A, vowels, N, right? If I use A and N, is it for plural nouns or singular nouns?
for, uh,
You're guessing. Just tell me honestly, you know or you don't know? You don't know, right? A and N always use singular. Can you say an airplanes? An igloos? An oranges? No. Okay. A mothers? A phones? No. So because they are singular, okay, they are one, then the verb should be one as well. It means the verb has an S. Don't forget the N plus S, V minus S, N plus S, V, sorry, N minus S, V plus S. Do you still remember these rules? Okay, for example, an airplane is R going to fly. What is your answer? Your subject, look, is there any S with your subject here? No S. So what will be
Is
is? Why? Because it has V plus S. So the rule is N minus S, V plus S. If your subject does not have an S, then your verb has an S. That's technique, that's the rule. Easy, right? Okay, so A and N are the articles that you use in a different way. A for consonants and for vowels, right? Then they are singular. So it means if they are singular, they are one, then your verb needs an S. Understood, Sarah? Look at me. What about the? Can be used what? Both. Both singular, both can be singular and plural. It can be consonants and
love.
vowels. Now, the means specific, right? The means specific. A and an, not specific. So if you say the blue pen, it means you know exactly the name of your pen. But if you say a blue pen, you don't know what kind of pen do you have. You understand? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.